Hello students, now we are going to take up next method to solve a pair of linear equations, which is elimination method. But if you look for the word elimination in dictionary, you know the meaning of elimination? To eliminate something, to remove something, right? In your TV reality shows also you can see that there is a round called elimination round. And I hope it's clear to all of you what happens in the elimination round. One of the participants is removed, right? So when we are solving a pair of linear equation using elimination method, one of the two variables, that is either x or y, will be eliminated, will be removed. Let us take first example, right? We have a pair of linear equation. Now since we want to eliminate, it's first of all we need to decide whether we want to eliminate x or we want to eliminate y. Okay, and your answer will be same no matter what you are going to eliminate first. Okay. Now the point is you can only eliminate someone when you are of the same power. So here you can see x has coefficient 1, but this x has coefficient 2. And if you want to eliminate y, this has got 3 and this has got 1. So either you eliminate x or y. I would suggest let us go for y because here both the y's are of opposite sign. So if we add them, things will be done. Now to make them of the same power, same state, we shall multiply our equation 1 by 3. Now when you multiply, this is the sign notation. You put a bracket and write multiply by 3. That means you are multiplying the equation by 3. What do we get? We shall get 3x plus 3y is equal to 15. And the next equation will remain as it is. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Add the equations. Now when you add these equations, 3y minus 3y will get cancelled. 3x plus 2x gives you 5x and 15 plus 4 gives you 19. So this gives me x is 19 upon 5. Now put x equal to 19 upon 5 either in equation 1 or 2. You can see equation 1 is simpler than equation 2. So from equation 1, what do you get? You get y is equal to 5 minus x, right? So put the value of x, which is 19 by 5. 5 can be written as 5 upon 1. So taking LCM of 1 and 5, 5. 5 5s are 21. Sorry, 25 minus 19, which is 6 by 5. So you get x equals to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5 as your answer. Alright. Now let us consider another example, right? I'm calling these equations 1, 2. Alright. Now here you can see you can either eliminate x or y. Better see, if you want to eliminate x, you want to make these coefficient equal. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? It is 6. So you shall multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. The entire equations will get multiplied. Alright. But I can see here, if I look at y, it is 2 and it is 4. 2 can easily be made 4 by multiplying it by 2. So I need not do anything with equation 1. सिर्फ equation 2 से काम करके मेरा काम हो जाएगा एक ही step में. So I will be multiplying second equation by 2. So what do I get? First equation as it is, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. And for second equation I have 4x minus 4y is equal to 4. Right. Now again, as the signs are opposite, we will add. If signs are going to be same, we shall subtract, so that ultimately we can change the sign. Cancel. 3x plus 4x 7x, 10 plus 4 14. This gives me x is equal to 14 upon 7, which is 2. Now you can put x equal to 2 in either of the equation to get the value of y. Let me take equation 1. From 1, 3 into 2, that is 3x plus 4y is equal to 10, which gives me 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. Taking 6 that side, so 4y is equal to 10 minus 6, which is 4. So this gives me y is equal to 4 upon 4, which is 1. So we get solution as x equals to 2 and y is equal to 1. Clear? Now let us take up this next example. Here you can see better the equations are not in the standard form. We need to put this second equation in standard form. So for that matter, what I am going to do is, so this means this equation can be written as 9x minus 2y equals to 7, and I am rewriting equation 1 as 3x minus 5y is equal to 4. So this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. Alright, now I would like to equate x. It is 9, the first one is 3. So let us multiply first equation by 3 so that it gives me 9. So I have 9x, 5 into 3 15, 4 into 3 12, and then second equation as it is 9x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now please note here, both are positive. I cannot cancel positive with positive. If I have to eliminate these two, then I need to have one negative thing. So now here I will be subtracting these two equations. And when you subtract, you know the sign gets changed. So minus plus and plus 7 है तो ये हो जाएगा बेटा minus. So 9x minus 9x cancel. Minus 15 plus 2 minus 13y, and 12 minus 7 5. So this gives you y is equals to minus 5 upon 13. Alright, now put the value of y is equal to minus 5 by 13 in any of the equation. So let me take equation 1. So from 1, 3x will be equal to 4 plus 5y. Solve this out. 4 plus 5 into minus 5 by 13 plus minus minus 5 into 5 25 upon 13. 4 can be put as 4 by 1. Taking LCM, 13 4s are 52 minus 25, which is 27 upon 13. Right? But this is the value of 3x. So to find x, divided by 3, this 3 will come in the denominator here in the table of 3. So you get 9 upon 13. This is the value of x. To find the value of y, you may put in equation 1 or 2. You can see 2y is there, 5y is there. Whichever equation you want, you can put. Let me take in equation. Acha, y to we have already calculated, sorry. So y is equals to minus 5 by 13 and x is 9 by 13. This is your answer. Clear? Let us take example 4. Now here you can see we have fractions. So first of all we would like to get rid of the denominator. In the first case it is 2 into 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So I shall multiply this by 6. Here we only have 3 in the denominator, so multiply by 3. So we get the pair of equations as x by 2 into 6. Beta 6 and 2 3 रह जाएगा आपके पास. So this will be 3x. Now this 3 and 6 when you multiply, 3 ones are, this will be 2. 2 into 2 gives you 4. So plus 4y and minus 1 into 6 gives you minus 6. Multiplying by 3 you have 3x. This 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So minus 1y and 3 into 3 gives you 9. Now here straight away you can see that we have coefficients of both the equations in x same. So we need not multiply it by any number. And since both have got same sign, we shall subtract them. अगर आप subtract करते हैं, signs will get changed. So this will be minus, minus will be plus, plus will be minus. So 4y minus 4y plus 1y gives you 5y, and minus 6 minus 9 gives you minus 15. So y is minus 15 upon 5, which is minus 3. Alright. Now you take care of either 1 or 2 to get the value of x. And if you want, you can use either of these equation as well to find x. Suppose I can take this star equation. So from star, you can see x will be 3 and minus y by 3 will be shifted on RHS. ठीक है बेटा. So this is 3 plus value of y is minus 3 upon 3. Solving it, it will be minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So you have your answer as x equals to 2 and y equal minus 3. Alright. Let's take example 5 beta. Now here you have pair of equations in which either x or y you need to eliminate. If you want to eliminate x, you can see 5 and 2. They both are prime number. So you will need to multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by 5, so that 5 into 2 becomes 10 and 2 into 5 becomes 10. If you want to eliminate y, multiply again 3 and 4 are co-primes. So multiply 3 by 4 and 4 by 3. So it will be 12y and this also will be 12y. Let us eliminate x. So I am multiplying first equation by 2 and I am multiplying second equation by 5. So this gives me 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 10x, 3 into 2, 6y is equal to 70, and the next one would be 10x plus 20y, and 28 into 5 gives me 140. Right beta? Same sign, so we need to subtract here. Please do mention whether you are subtracting or adding. Change of sign, cancel. So 6 minus 20 is minus 14y. 70 minus 140 will be minus 70. Solving it, you will get minus 70 upon minus 14, which gives you 5. Now again you put either in 1 or 2 to get the value of x. So let me put in equation 2. So from equation 2, 2x is 28 minus 4y, which is 28 minus 4 into 5. 28 minus 20, which is 8. But this is the value of 2x. So this gives me x is 8 upon 2, which is 4. So we get our solution as x equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. But the best part is you can always cross check your answer. Put x equal to 4, 4 into 2, 8. Y is equal to 5, 5 into 4, 20. 8 plus 20, 28. Here also 5 into 4, 20. 3 into 5, 15. 20 plus 15, 35. You can always cross check your answer in case of pair of linear equation. If you do not satisfy the equations, then cross check your calculations. Fine. Example 6 is your homework. You will try it on your own. Alright? Thank you.